Switch the metric system in Celsius and keep driving on the right side of the road. Fun fact, Claude. I thought you were going to a baseball game, dude. Oh, gas pump scales. All, yeah, I get all that stuff. Any kind of little double top, guys. Any kind of little double top. The system is infrastructure built around Fahrenheit. Sarasota is kind of boring to me. I prefer the St. Pete area. It's got a little bit more of a Captain K. It's St. Pete's got a little bit more of a vibe to it. St. Sarasota's just dead. Yeah, US is making a change to Matrix, that's for sure. All you all you people from these other countries. Yeah, St. Pete's the best. Great beaches. Hey, if you guys are close, you should get in the Discord with Ron and see if you guys want to exchange information and meet up. VA. Yeah, the water's amazing here. See these little this little tiny like little tiny M here, guys. Little tiny M. We're getting pretty darn close to the open. Actually, we are at the open. I didn't even give my didn't give my disclaimer. Let's do it. Quick disclaimer. Let's see how many people we have. Get my good voice on for this. All right. Those of you that are newer to us, yeah, I mean, again, like I said, guys, any of these little like M formations where it stalls out on the top, start just pushing up. You guys can do that. I'm assuming a few of you guys did that, right? Right. It came. I mean, it just popped right back up in our selling area again, and gave that little double tap and down. You guys could have done it. Got captured another 30 ticks. Um, I'm sitting on sidelines, and I'm not embarrassed or ashamed or anything to say that I may not take another trade today. This may be just me helping you guys today. Would anybody be upset with that? That I focus just on you guys? There we go. We got one vote, two, three. Paul, you'd be upset with it? Why? All right, I gotta get my head on straight. We gotta. I didn't think so. VA. How many of my trades lose, VA? Answer that question. How many of my trades have you seen lose? Just saying. I know you love me. All right. Let's I thought you're supposed to be in the other oh, you haven't done that session yet. Today you're gonna do the session and then tomorrow you'll be in the other room. I'm didn't really get the download on what happened. Um oh, okay. All right. Good. All right. Okay. Good deal. That's good. I don't I think you didn't weren't able to do your coaching yesterday anyway, so from what I heard. I don't know. I'm they keep me in the dark. They treat me like a mushroom here. They keep me in the dark and feed me crap. All right, guys, we are open for business. No trading for the first 6 minutes for any newbies, any new people to us, anybody on trial with us. No trading for the first 6 minutes. And if you are an avid trader, you're on trial with us, whatever it is, we ask that you please do try to follow along with notepads and pencils, not trading. If you are a trader that's traded for quite some time, then you are we're not far from that 906 number, right, guys? Decent one. If you're an avid trader and you've traded quite some time in the past, please do it in sim. It does take a couple weeks to a few months to get ingrained in our program. We have class today at 12:30 Eastern, pro class. We expect everybody that's on trial to be in that class. We have two pretty straightforward membership options. You guys probably saw that in your orientation yesterday, but most people we think should start in the pro level. That way, you get access to all of our core methodology videos, trainings, and whatnot. Standard is what it says. Standard, it means your trade room only access. If you, again, a few people that join us have the trading experience and wherewithal just to sit in and catch on and start going with us. Most people we suggest start at pro for a month or two. We do allow you to change on a month to month basis your membership level anytime that you want, and we do not care. What we care about is having profitable traders on a daily basis. Our members will tell you that. And let's see what else with the new people. That is it with the new people. Newer people, schedule a call and we'll help answer your questions. If you didn't make an orientation, we will do another orientation tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. That is all my disclaimers, disclosures, and fun stuff. All right. Now we start looking. Now we start looking, guys. I know it's not 6 minutes, but this is a little too hard to pass up. 906, guys? We have 906. Is that what we're looking for? Now, if an M forms, what are we going to do, guys? If an M forms, what are we going to do? There we go. All right, guys. Yep, newer people wait 6 minutes. It's not going to kill you. There'll be plenty of trades this morning. There's no rush to get into this thing that's just running straight up. And shorting right now would probably be bad for your account size. And if we keep climbing past that 906 area, then we probably want to look above and say, you know, there's a zone up here around 960 that we could look to start to short again. Let's just be patient. And then, think about this. We had a huge sell off overnight. There's got to be some type of retracement. We're hitting the 20 period moving average on the 15-minute chart now. This is where you start doing this analysis and saying, okay, 15 period. Yeah, we're hitting that. I'm hitting my overnight resistance right now. And let's see. So we should see some type of resistance between here and like 950. Should see it. There's your little double top. That's it, guys. Yeah, that's what I was saying. We just ran right into the resistance area. Pull your stops down. I literally said, let's do it. Nice job, guys. You guys get this? Literally ran right into the line. We had a little double tap there. Nice job, guys. This is exactly what we're looking for. Go into resistance, try to get it. A little second try, M forms. Boom. We're in the trade. It's exactly what we wanted. So take profits here if you have multiple contracts, guys, and get it down. And we'll get another chance at it. Bring your stops down. Good job, guys. Hey, there you go. I mean, even if you entered late on this, you still took 40 ticks again out of it. There's another re-injury. Another 40 tick winner and minutes flat. Nice job, guys. And I said that anybody who re-entered here, I said there's another re-entry. You guys heard that right. You should be already one contract off. Nice job, Sloan. Let us get out of this trade. There's your who re-entered that missed the first trade, right? Did anybody re-enter when I just said, hey, you can re-enter here? Monica, Marco, Paul S. Trail your stops, guys. Trail your stops. Good job, Paul. Oh my goodness, guys. I had to do a little laugh with you guys. All right. You guys trailed your stuff. Look at, I mean, you got a little re-entry spot here. I mean, everybody should be flat now. That was a nice little move. Good job, guys. You took profits though, right? UK Paul? Why didn't you trail your stops, guys? Talk to me. Let me help you out. How UK Paul, how okay. Which one did you miss? Because again, by the time I said something, some people could have entered here. You'd only taken a couple ticks of heat. and then you still would have gotten 30 ticks of profit. I said, this is a good re-entry point. At the moment it was happening, took 0 heat, still could have gotten 30 ticks of profit. What happened? UK Paul. Just click on the Supreme Sorcerer charts, Dennis. You should be able to see them. Paul, let me help you out, buddy. I got to help you. There's no way we can do this without communicating. Well, think about what we talked about yesterday. If you use the stop we talked about yesterday, there's no way you took 16 ticks of heat on this re-entry, on this entry here. No way possible. And no way possible you took 20 ticks of heat. And then when I said re-enter here, no way you should have taken 20 ticks of heat. So what were your fill prices? There's no way there's that much slippage. So would you say you got filled at the bottom on both of these? Is that what you're telling me? In too late. Okay. All right. So that goes to the conversation we had yesterday, right, Paul? Then we know exactly what you need to work on. It's exactly what we talked about yesterday, okay? Hopefully you're doing all this in sim. Do it in sim like we talked about yesterday, please. Trust me. I will coach you into profits, Paul. Ask these yahoos that have done coaching with me. I will coach you into profits. Trust me. Okay. Practice exactly what we talked about yesterday. In 2 weeks, this will not be an issue. Okay. Who's here? Who's here that's done coaching with me, guys? Who's here that's done coaching with me? Tell Paul to trust the coaches. Somebody that's done coaching with me, tell them. Thank you, guys. See you, Paul. Talk to these guys in Discord. Anybody that's done coaching with me will tell you I will help you with this. You got to do what I tell you to do. All right, there's proof in the pudding. We don't need to beat up Paul anymore. He's new to us, but do the practice. Do the practice I gave you, buddy, and you will get in tune pretty quick. If you do the practice I tell you to do, Paul, you'll believe in yourself soon enough. Promise. If anything, you'll just have to learn how to understand my country accent, VA. All right. Hey, look at this. Let's take a look. What are we looking for, guys? What letter of the alphabet are we looking for? Let's see. All right. Let's do our little review here. We already got a pullback off of the 20 period. So, do we think that we could be looking for maybe closer to 950? And then the M forms right in front of our faces. Let's check this out. So yesterday, this little area around 30, that's a little far up, but I mean, it's not completely unobtainable. 3200, 32090, 84, 3284. It's not unrealistic. And we've done well this morning. I mean, other than, a couple people that are newer having issues with entries, we've done really well. And I mean, let's face it, Paul being down 27 ticks is not horrible. Not horrible. We can come back from that. We will get you green. Is everybody green so far today? Everybody's green, right? Everybody green. Anybody red that needs some rehab this morning? I know Paul will get you. Nice, guys. Great job, everybody. I love it. Here, this is who else is done for the day other than I know we got a couple other. Let's give you guys your anybody done for the day that I haven't gonged. That doesn't count, Paul. Nice, Brienne. I think I winning. Luis, you'll get there soon enough, buddy. Luis, Lewis, Lewis or Louis, Lewis or Luis. Seems like it would be a Luis. Luis, then, right? Lewis. Okay, got it. All right, cool. I won't mess that up again. Promise. All right, what are we doing? Let's see here. Yeah, look at this. All right, this is like telltale sign that we probably should be just counting our money and relaxing. Other than one person that we need to get green, is there anybody red that needs some rehab? If you're brand new to us, if the exception being anybody that's brand spanking new, um, there's probably some coaching that needs to be done. Other than that, is there anybody that's red that needs some rehab trading? Now's the time to say it because now's the time that we're going to wait for a little bit and let this thing shake itself out. Yeah, you're still on the newer side, David, but we'll try to get you. We can kill Kev Dog. You know we get that done one trade. Nice starter. See you tomorrow, Joshua. We can take care of that. Captain K. You guys are new though. Captain K, Joshua. You guys are new. Don't worry about being red, but follow Kev Dog's trade when we do it. All right. Follow Kev Dog's trade when we do it. And we will get you to the promised land. Thanks for being honest, guys. Mere mortals. What are you doing in this room, Marlon? Aren't you supposed to be over there making money? What are you doing, buddy? Good job, by the way, Sarter. Little double dipping action there, buddy. Stay over there, Marlon. I am not funnier than Coach A. You know that. Great job, Sarter. See you tomorrow. I think we're funny in our own right, different ways. How about that, Marlon? All right, guys. Let's think what we can do here is we can look for a little hook down and we could probably take it somewhere around the 970. Hey, we're pretty good there. What do we say? Nine? I said we could start looking at 960 something. There it is, guys. You would have had to time that perfect. But you had your 16 tick rule entry right there. 944. Boom. Ticks finally got above zero. So it's about the time you start saying, okay, well, let's look and see if we see a high tick read along with something that pops up to maybe right around this area here. Oop, right around this area with a high tick read. That's shortable. All of those would be good for, like now, good for 10 ticks easy. All these little high tick reads in this little area. Every time it does that, it should be good for about 10 ticks. There we go. It's trying to flush out all these little buy orders here. And we have. That's it. There's your sell signal. Did anybody do the first one, the 16 tick rule at around 9:44? Did anybody do that? Nice, Killer B. Ron, nice job. This is easy stuff, guys. I mean, no way you should have been stopped out here. Look at it, guys. No way you should have been stopped out. Even if you had a late entry, your stop goes to, I don't know, 960. Can't get stopped out of that. We know that there was some selling too. Some big boys and girls are starting to sell in maybe around nine. I mean, here it goes, 990, right? So, not so I had, again, I had 960 as the area we started looking short. Should we get a die, you dirty dog? Should we get a die, you dirty dog? Anybody? Should we get a die, you dirty dog? No? Okay, we won't do it. Yes? All right, let's do it then. We need it. We need it.
Die, you dirty dog.
Nice VA. Nice entry, VA. Good job. Nice entry, VA. Die, you dirty dog. VA's a machine now. Now, guys, pretty much every time it makes a new low, or if it starts to break this swing, you want to be out of this trade, right? So make a new low, you bring your stops down. If it breaks, this like right around this first touch rule that it worked, um, 927. Yeah, there it is. Well, all right, heard me when I said start looking above 960, right? What was it I actually said? 965? Yeah, 965. So nice VA. That's awesome. News and 6. What is that news? Is it Fed stuff? Looking a little saucy right here, guys. I wouldn't blame anybody for taking their profits here. I would say just keep trailing the stop, though, to be honest with you. Every time it makes a little new low, you know, if we get below this, we're just gonna step down to 913. Yeah, that's the original. That's a stop that we had before just now, Jackson. We had uh we had that 927. Now we're gonna use 914. 914. 914. Housing. Didn't they add some kind of Fed comment today or something? Did I see that somewhere? Yeah, why not use 914 then? You got 50 ticks locked in. There we go. Boom. Squeeze this puppy down some. Now, guys, everybody should be able to lock in 50 ticks, right? Every single person should be able to lock in 50 ticks, correct? Everybody in this trade should be able to lock in 50 ticks now, right? Do that. Do that. At least lock in 50 ticks and you cannot lose. And then sit back and relax. Every single person. You guys how many people are in the short right now? I've been trying to get you guys short since 965, right? Everybody still in? Good job, guys. Just trail. This could be the home run of the morning, right? Even though we've already had a couple home runs. All right, Marcia. Keep you in a little longer next time. Just trail it, guys. I mean, we think about what we got. We got room to at least get down back to where we started off this morning, right? We could get down to 750 easy. Should, got some room for that. Got some room to get down a little bit further. It's not too far away. 765. You should be able to hit that pretty easy. All right, Brand. Marcia, you got to keep a YM chart up to do the equivalent of it. So if you're trading the MYM, you still need to have a YM chart up to be able to see the price action on it, Marcia. Thank you, Lewis. So,
Okay, gang, good morning. The institutional room has made its day, as Clint would say, and hopefully, and I'm sure you guys are, from what I can see, you guys are rocking and rolling in the dough. We are done for the day. Glad to be here. Can everybody hear me? And you can see the chart? Beautiful. I don't think we have to tell anybody which direction the market's going. The only disappointment I had is I asked Mr. Predicto, "Am I the greatest trader of all time?" And said, "Absolutely not." And then I try to get in the top 10. Yeah, you're laughing. Did you hear that? Were you in the other room? Oh man, that was embarrassing. But you know what? I can't see Mr. Predicto trade. He just sits there. Anyway, it was fun.
Hey, Mr. Predicto hasn't been wrong yet. That's all I'm
He
saying.
hasn't been wrong. No, he hasn't been wrong.
Hey, you know, there's a lot of really good traders out there. Maybe you're number 11.
Maybe number 200. And actually, seriously, guys, you know, my strength is not being the most profitable trader of all time. That was Mark Slobodnik. There's no question. He was number one. But guess what? We're not here. If this were a room of Mark Slobodniks, you wouldn't need us. We're here to help you guys go from novice traders to successful, profitable traders to do this for a living. I am a very conservative trader. Coach will tell you that. I don't go making $100,000, before lunch and gambling $1 million on trades. I am very conservative. Any one of you can duplicate what we do.
We did well this morning, guys. I think, did everybody from the last trade, everybody that was red, get green now? We had a couple new people that just late entries, stuff like that.
Yeah, I was going to say there's probably a couple of newbies because they see the trade working and then they go in. And that's normal. That's normal human behavior, guys.
Did we get everybody green now, guys? Those of you that were red should be green now. That was pretty easy pickings.
And the reason is, guys, I've been there. I've been in trading rooms. I wish I had a trading room like this. I wouldn't have lost money for 49 months in a row. And I'd still be there. I'd still be trading in the so-called great trading room. And you would have never seen me here because you get skeptical after a while. So everybody tells you how great they are. And their trades all make tons of money and they're the best trader on the planet. And you go in and you wind up losing money. So naturally, you're going to come here. What's going to be any different? We say the same thing, right? There's no difference. We don't say anything different, except maybe we want you to learn how to trade. The other ones give you instant formulas, 5 minutes a day, you can get rich. We say, no, it does take a little work like any profession. So that's why we lose a lot of potential customers. Why? Because they go over, think about it. Are you going to go to us who say you'll become consistent after 3 to 6 months? Or you're going to go to somebody who tells you tomorrow you could start making $10,000 a day with a minimal $400 account? You're going to go to the $10,000 guy. So you lose money. You come in here and you go, they're shorting rallies? I don't know. Market looks like it's going higher. 210 points. Where do they get that from? So grandma's going to, by the way, grandma was shorting between 950 to 990. That was exactly what we called like an hour ago. And so we shorted there. But you're going to go like, who's this grandma? What the hell? I don't know. But then it starts working and everybody's, oh, I'm up 100 points. I'm up 200 points. And then you say, well, I'm going to go short too. And you wind up shorting the bottom because after 100 to 200 point sell-off, we start buying. You know what, Mike? They come back and then I can't help them anymore. I some great stories. One guy, I mean, this is a true story. A long time ago, not here, when I had Pure Tick.
We have a few people in this room that have left and come back, and they're still here.
Yeah, but here's the sad story. The guy is a college student. During his summer break, his father was wealthy and wanted him to learn to trade. That's how he found me. So he goes, hey, I'm going to take a credit card advance and start trading. I don't have any money. I go, whoa, that's pretty wild. He took a $5,000 credit card advance. He got the thing up, and everybody's telling him, don't trade. Trading is for losers. You're going to, his accountant, his lawyer, the father, and he goes, I'm going to prove him right. I said, all right, be careful. He got the account from $5,000 to $9,000 in a month. And then I go, wow, that's great. Fantastic. You should, we're going to do a series of emails on this guy, like how he did this, right? To attract new business. You feature the happy trader. So guess what? Oh, no, I do it later. I'm quitting. Why are you quitting? He's joining the happy trading room. He said, well, this guy won the World Cup championship 6 years in a row. I said, he was my client. And he didn't win any championship. He's a liar. Oh, you're just mad because I'm going. No, because it's a scam. He goes, well, they said you're a scam too, and look at how much money I made. I said, yeah, but they really are a scam. So he left. He blew out his account. He comes back when he had like $800 left. Do you think you can help me make it back? I told him to go, you know what, yourself. Not really. I just said, it's too late. You develop some bad habits. Just pack it in, go back to school and study whatever you study. I think it was computer programming. Anyway, that they do come back, but it's like a Stephen King come back from the dead. You don't really.
Pet Cemetery.
Yeah, Pet Cemetery. So we are the pet cemeteries of traders. Now, if they just take some time off, to build a house or something that really is a real excuse, then I understand.
Yeah, no, we've had a few job changes. People come back.
Yeah.
We've actually had a few people fail and not go somewhere else and come back.
Yeah.
Because they knew it was their fault and they needed to take some time to get their head right.
Yeah.
But if somebody, and we've had a few people who have left that were politely asked to leave that were will never be allowed back ever.
Yes. Yeah. So they do come back, but it's not it's not a regular basis. Some people they don't come back because they start their own trading consulting business. I'll show you one guy who was a student of mine. He wrote a best-selling book on risk control. I got to find that. You remember that guy, right?
Yeah.
The heck was his name? I keep forgetting it.
I'm trying to think of it right now.
Yeah.
I mean, we do train people well enough to run their own trade room, so it's we are subject to our own.
I gotta look him up.
Our own process and care for getting people successful is sometimes bites us back because we have clients that will go start a trade room. Good job, Paul.
So right now we're into short covering rallies. So you leave it alone. Again, here.
Too good of a morning. Way too good of a morning not to do this.
790, 890. Like, here's the low. What's the low? 794.
If you guys are trying to get in shorts right now, this is who I'm going to seek on you. Boot Camp Betty's going to come kick your butt. M's, guys. What have we been saying all morning? M's. Get those M's if you can do it. Again, this is a short covering rally. Coach is like, hey, look, if you haven't made your money by now this morning and you showed up late, guys, you are chasing. Literally, you're chasing. That's all there is to it, right? So, okay. There's 32,003. The only thing I'd be comfortable with would be an M, guys. That's it. Way to work on the volatility number there, Marsha. Nice job.
All right, a
All right,
little
ladies-
16 tick rule short here, guys.
Oh man, how do we think alike? Just see, I was just looking at how it couldn't just quite break that little double top on the retracement and thinking, it's not a bad short signal. Oh, you got a good entry. Good job, VA. That is how you get patient. That is a way to be patient. That's a student of the game. That is what we teach. Good job, VA. And I bet you did that for the exact same reason that it couldn't take that little double top out. Is that why you did it, VA? Wild guess on my part. Saw that it couldn't take the
Yeah,
double top out.
your next support guys would be 893. Stop was 960. Remember, grandma was selling 950 area. So here comes 893. Take some off. And then another one at 893.
Order filled.
Can't get green on that one. Never gonna get green.
Die, you dirty dog.
Trail it now. Bring your stop down. Good job. Who else took it? Excellent. Killer bees. Great. Anyone who is red took it? Anyone who was previously red, did you take that trade? All right, Kev Dog, there you go. You didn't? Okay. We got to get you trained, Paul. Where do you live, Paul? UK, get on an airplane.
I spoke with Paul yesterday, Coach.
Yep.
He had a practice plan in place to get up to speed. Or you could just get on an airplane, be over here, and spend a week with one of us, with Coach.
We're a hell of a lot cheaper and faster than taking 2 years and going to the Wharton School of Business. I'll tell you that. I did it. I invested in myself over $40,000 in training, and that's why I'm here doing this. I'm not the top 10 in the world, according to Mr. Predicto, but I'm pretty close to it.
I'd say pretty close. I said 11. I said 11.
11 is good. Yeah, I'll take 11.
If you're the top 11, if you're number 11 trader in the world, that is probably pretty darn good.
Yeah. If you guys remember Dr. J, Julius Erving, I met him a long time ago. He's considered the 11th best basketball player of all time. Well, it's still pretty good. Dr. J was a pretty dynamic.
I will take Julius Erving. Yeah, I'll take that guy on my team any day of the week.
Yeah.
All right. So everybody got green except for UK Paul, and UK Paul.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed the live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, just visit libertytradingclub.com and start your free 3-day trial. During your time with us, you'll have access to our live trade calls, participation in chat to have questions answered by a coach, as well as access to our live basic and advanced training classes. After your first free 3 days, it's just $149 a month for trade room access. Please like, subscribe, and share.